Hey everyone, Spencer here on behalf of DTF Performance, and today we're showcasing the carbon fiber mid-length bagger front fender. We're going to show you how to install this thing. However, this install guide will work with the other front fenders as the process is still the same. So here we have the front fender and the ARP bolts. You'll need to install the fender, the bolts, the spacers, and the crimp nuts. As you can see, we already have the bike prepped and the fender removed. To start, you're going to want to get a hose. This is a gas or oil line. You're going to want to place it on the tire and then tape it into position. What this is going to do is it's going to give you a space between your fender and your tire to make sure there's no contact. Next step, you are going to be marking and drilling the fender to mount onto your bike. What we recommend is getting some tape and placing the tape both on the outside and inside of the fender. This will make sure you get a good, clean drill hole. You're going to be doing this to both sides of your fender. All right, now we have our spacer on the tire. We've got our fender taped up. We're ready to get it on there. With this particular model, the longer end goes towards the back, shorter end towards the front. It's designed like this to protect your bike from road debris and rain with the longer end of the fender at the back. Make sure when you mount your fender that you have the correct direction on the bike, because you only get to drill this thing once, so don't mess it up. With the fender on the bike, you're now going to take a pencil or a marker, slide it through the holes, and mark where to drill on the fender. You're going to be doing this twice on each side, so 4 times. This does help if you have a friend, so one person can hold the fender and the other one can mark your drill holes. Our holes are marked, and now we're ready to drill. Start with a smaller drill bit to make it easier to drill your pilot holes, and then move up the bit size so it will fit your mounting bolts. We also have some wood piled up here for support, so then the drill bit isn't walking around on you as you're trying to get your holes started here. As you can see, when you're drilling, black debris is coming out. That is because DTF Performance only uses pre-preg carbon fiber, which is true carbon fiber. Once you have your pilot holes drilled, you're ready to drill your actual hole that you will be putting your mounting bolt through. Now, we are using a step bit. However, all you have to do is get a bit that is the same size as your bolt, and that'll work the exact same. The holes are drilled, now we're ready for mounting. Let's get the tape off of here and see the finished product. There you go. Holes are drilled clean, now it's ready to go onto the bike. When you're installing your fender, take the spacer and put that on the inside between the fender and your lower leg mount. You then got your ARP bolt, slide it through the hole, and then your crimp nut for the other side. To finish, we just got to tighten up our 4 bolts. We recommend a wrench and a driver, and remember, it is all 12-point hardware.